Hello, this is Mrs. Workman. Find each of the following for matrix A equals 9, 4, negative 7, 1, 3, negative 2. Matrix B equals 1, 0, negative 3, negative 5, 6, 0. And matrix C equals 0, negative 3, 2, 2, negative 5, 6. And I can see that what we're being asked to do is to add matrix A to matrix B, and then to add matrix A to matrix C if possible. And I say if possible because addition for matrices is defined only for matrices that have the same dimensions. Because when you add matrices together, you add corresponding elements. Let's go back and label the dimensions for each matrix. We remember that when you label dimensions for a matrix, it's always row by column. So matrix A, we have 3 rows by 2 columns. Matrix B is 2 rows by 3 columns, and matrix C is 3 rows by 2 columns. Our first addition is to add matrix A to matrix B. Well, matrix A has dimension 3 by 2, and matrix B has dimension 2 by 3, and so we cannot do the addition because their dimensions are not the same. So we cannot add. All right, let's check the second problem. Is matrix A added to matrix C? We notice that both of those matrices have the same dimensions, so we will be able to perform that addition. We'll be able to add their corresponding elements. So here's matrix A. And we're going to add that to matrix C. And we'll do that by adding corresponding elements. In other words, 9 is in the first row, first column, so we'll add it to 0 because it's also in the first row, first column. Then we'll take 4, which is in the first row, second column, and we'll add it to negative 3 because it is also in the first row, second column. And we'll continue to do that with each element. So we'll be taking negative 7 plus 2, 1 plus 2. They're both in second row, second column. 3 and the negative 5. They're both in third row, first column, and finally the negative 2 and the 6. And the sum will be another matrix with dimensions 3 by 2. First row would be 9, 1, second row, negative 5, 3, and the third row, negative 2, 4. And you notice this new matrix, which is the sum of A plus C, is also 3 rows by 2 columns.